For those of you who are new here, my name is Shakira Green. I'm the founder of JTVco.shop and the founder of the JTVco branded community, and I just want to welcome you to today's video. Hey! Today's video was very out of the blue. I just need to do my hair. Tomorrow's the 4th of July. I want it to be super cute, so I decided to show you what I could do with my versatile crochets right before I take this one out and put a whole new versatile crochet style in my hair. This time a little longer. So be on the lookout for that video, because that video I will put up. It will be a step-by-step tutorial on how I do my crochets, and it should be up right after this video. So without further ado, let me show you a few different ways you can style this versatile crochet. So this very first style, you guys, is, like I said, just a very cute high pony. I typically do this hairstyle when my crochet starts to get older and it's all foofy and puffed up. I just think the high pony is a really cute and natural looking hairstyle to wear. I don't know what the back look like, so don't come for me. You can do some really cute edges. Then I always like to leave a little piece out of the back just to make it look a little more natural, like it's my messy hair does. So the next crochet style I'm going to show you guys is just a simple middle part. And I just fluff it out on both sides until I have a really pretty just hairstyle. And again, this crochet is old. This is about 2 weeks old, and I'm about to take it down. So if the back look crazy, that's just why. It's just time to come down. I could also go over here and part my hair and get a really cute side part. And I can also flip it on the side. And yes, you can make some really good parts. Flip it on this side. And I got a really cute side part on the side as well. Okay, so then we can do some really fun styles. I don't know how often y'all wear puffs and high ponies. Now, mine's not really that cute or neat or nothing because I wanted to. All you would do is get some edge control and just take it up both sides here to flick one of it down. And mind you, my hair is old, so that's why my edge control is white, and I am using this edge control that just, you know, it turns white from hair wear. So don't let that be the takeaway you're getting from this style. As you can see, I can do the 2 puffs. It can look good without the headband. It's just my hair is old. It already got the white residue, so I just wanted to show you like it can be cute and not give you the crusty version. And then last, don't pull your hair like this. And last but not least, this last style is just a quick half up, half down. So this is the half up and down. That's pretty much it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed these simple styles that you can do when you do this versatile crochet hairstyle method. Again, there will be a tutorial up following this video of how to do this versatile crochet method. So again, I shall see you in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with somebody who you think might find this video interesting. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.